The second myth what I have heard about is a morning sickness. Do you really think the morning sickness is only in the morning? Actually, no, it is also a myth. Morning sickness can be anytime, it is just a name. Okay, so it can be in the morning, it can be in the evening, or it can be in the night, it can be any time of the day. So if you get this sickness in the morning, like once you wake up, so have crackers or dry biscuits, but do not pair them along with any water or any liquid substance like tea, coffee, or water. Keep a gap of at least 15 to 30 minutes after having the crackers. So if you have this sickness any time of the day, that again depends what time of the day do you have and with what, because each individual will have different kind of sickness. Some will have just looking at the food, some will have the smell of the food. So there are different kind of sickness. So just focus, if you like something at that particular time, you can eat that. If you do not like, try to avoid it as much as possible, but make sure you eat something. Okay, break your meals to at least 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day rather than eating 3 large meals. Even short walking or walking at a very regular interval helps. Staying cooped up makes it even more worse. It's all your hormones that plays the tricks, but you've got the hacks covered.